Did you hear about the big hurricane that hit South Carolina last night?
Crazy, right? I heard the winds were almost 200 kilometers per hour.
Of course, the power went out, but I hope everyone was prepared for it.
I think they get hurricanes there every year. They must know what to do, right?
I hope so. I haven't heard how many people have died yet.
I hope everything turns out okay for everyone.
Me too. I hate seeing stuff like that on the news.
Did you see the big game last night?
Of course. Who didn't?
What did you think?
Well, it was an interesting game. But the real star was the halftime show. I couldn't believe how well done it was. I even watched it again on YouTube this morning.
I have to admit, I don't like Maroon 5, so I skipped the show. I was way more interested in the game. I made all kinds of snacks during halftime instead. Check it out. Even if you don't like them, I think you'll enjoy the show. What are you up to this weekend?
Oh, not much. I might spend some time getting the garden ready. It's that time of year, right?
It is, for sure. The days are getting longer.
What are you up to?
Well, not much. Just hanging out with my boyfriend. We just moved in together, so we have all kinds of stuff to organize and tidy up.
Oh, that's exciting. When did that happen?
Last weekend. Ted, let's hang out this weekend. It's been a while.
I know, right? We haven't hung out in months. I'd love to do something. What do you think?
The weather's supposed to be nice on Saturday. What about going for a hike? And then we can grab something to eat afterward?
That sounds great. Let's go to Mount Seymour. I haven't been there in a long time.
Perfect. I can drive. I'll pick you up at 1.
Okay, see you then. I'll bring snacks for us.
How was your weekend?
Boring. My son was sick, so I had to stay home and look after him. I did clean out the garage, though.
Is he okay now?
Yeah, he went to school today. It was just unfortunate that the weather was so nice. How was yours?
Tough break. I did all kinds of stuff. I went for a bike ride and played soccer with some friends. Then we had some patio beers after the game.
That sounds amazing.